Baru aja selesai dengerin
Halo Hayden, selamat malam.
juga yang tadi kayak pembicaraan soal kue dia
Hai, am I audible?
katanya mau gampang cari tapi pada kalau
Halo, halo, halo.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay. Yep. Good afternoon, Hayden, yeah.
Uh,
Wait. Hayden will start our lesson today. Have you had your dinner already?
yeah, already. Yeah, I had it already.
Okay. Okay. So Hayden, I think on the last lessons we already creating our apa? Our mobile app applications, yeah, and then you create it on through the Google Colab to create an APK, yeah, for your apa mobile phone, yeah, to be installed. And can you share your screen? Oh, please open the Google Colab, yeah, before we continue to the new module, which is about data analysis. Okay, share your screen ya, Hayden, ya.
sama sekali nggak ada yang bilang lo jangan pilih
Kita membayangkan ini cocoknya 5 sampai sore. Ini makin open your Google Colab.
Open what? Google Chrome.
Uh, just open your browser, and then I will
Wait, aku salah pencet.
let you which one that you need to open.
Udah salah.
Mhm. And then Colab type COLAB.
So, collab.
Oh, what? Can you click the three dots in there in here? And then open the history, yeah. Open your history. History.
Story.
And then yeah, click
Ngelek sih.
yeah history, and then history again, yeah, and then type collab in here. Collab ya. Nah, this one. Click. No, 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 no. Just click this. Okay. Okay, so the last one is apa? The last lesson that you apa? Create the APK ya, mobile phone for your smartphone. Ya. Nah, is it finished? Can you open the folder in here?
Wait, wait. Open this.
Mm-mm. Oh no, it's restart. Scroll down again ya. Hey there. Scroll down. No, 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 no. Just scroll down from the right side. This one, the gray one. Hmm. Okay. Because it's not installed. Yeah, I think it's because the apa? Because of the internet connection that is unstable. So wait, yeah. I will send you the. Wait, yeah. I will send the link. Yeah, I forget to prepare the link. Um. Now this one, I will send it through the chat Zoom ya, through the group WhatsApp, and then on your mobile phone you can download it. Nah, the output of the last application it will be like that, and you can install it through your mobile phone. Yeah, just open it from your your mobile phone, Hayden,
Oh,
your HP,
ya
open
ya.
from your smartphone.
Ya, baru.
Hmm. And then click it and then install.
Wait. Udah, Sir. Tapi
Yeah,
belum masih kayak gini.
man. Can you share it through the camera?
You see? You can see.
What is that? What the screen say?
Wait,
No, I couldn't see it.
wait.
No, it's
Terus?
blur. It's blur and I can't read it. Can you read it? What the text on the screen?
For your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from the source. You can change this in setting.
Yeah. Open your settings and then click
Allow from the source.
settings and then click the permission, I think. It's
Wait, wait, wait.
it's about permissions and yeah, sometimes it's just hard. Yeah. Okay. Do you know how to allow it?
But danger, gak apa-apa.
Yeah.
It's danger. It says danger.
If you know how to allow it, then yeah, just allow it. Yeah, on the
Yeah, I
settings.
know. I have to click this. I'm aware to the possible risk. And
Just
assume
click
all
that.
possible consequences voluntarily.
Yeah, yeah. Just click that button and then yeah, install it.
Okay, and install. Okay, udah.
That and then yeah, it's installing and you can open the apps that you create. Yeah.
My application. Okay, it's done. What the heck?
Yeah. Is it open?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the application is like that. Yeah. You create it from Kiwi and then it will create the APK. Yeah, from the Google Colab. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
No question, yeah. Okay, we'll continue our lesson and it will be about the module 3. Yeah, module 3 it's about data analysis, yeah. Nah, so when we are talking about data analysis, what do you think? What is data analysis? Let me share my screen, yeah, Hayden, yeah. Nah, what is data analysis, Hayden?
I don't know.
Do you know it?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I never heard of it.
You never heard of it, okay. And what about data filtering? Yeah, just start from data. What is a data?
What? Microsoft data?
Yeah, what is a data? Can you define
Data.
it?
Data.
Ya, betul. Data adalah data. Data berarti apa?
Data adalah data.
Apa itu data?
Eh, kumpulan fakta atau informasi mentah yang dapat berupa angka, kata, simbol, ataupun gambar.
Ya, oke. Itu kata apa? Kata ChatGPT.
Enggak, kataku.
Okay. Yeah, that's totally correct. Now, when we are talking about data, it's like everywhere. Yeah, you can see it from your smart TV, from your smartphone, from your laptop, yeah. And then we will learn about data science, yeah. So in this module, you will learn three combinations of subjects, which is about the science, yeah. Wait, now this one, which is about the subject area, mathematics and statistics, and also algorithm and computer science. So if you combine those three, it will become data science. Yeah, it's really simple. Okay. And then in today's lesson, we will start getting acquainted with the Pandas library and then take the first steps in analyzing the data set on application from Google Play. Yeah. So getting acquainted. Yeah. So if you want to create mobile phone, that means you need to use Kiwi library, right? Now, if you want to use Python, if you want to use data analysis, that means you need to use a Pandas library. Yeah, just import Pandas SPD lah. Okay. Nah, and then it's like about tables. Yeah, you will learn about tables. Um, Tables in Pandas, we can call it as a data frame. Yeah. Nah, data frame contains um, row and also column. Yeah. Which one is row and which one is column? Hayden, the
Uh,
horizontal one or the vertical one?
the
Di row. Row.
row,
Baris itu yang mana? Yang horizontal atau yang vertikal?
the yang tegak, bukan yang tidur,
Kenapa?
yang tegak,
Yang mana?
yang tegak,
Yang tegak. Oh, yang
horizontal.
baris. Oh, yang tegak yang indeks gitu. Bukan ya, yang tiduran. Benar tadi yang
Hah?
tiduran. Jadi kalau baris itu dia melurus horizontal ya. Tapi kalau misalnya kolom dia yang ini ya tinggi gitu, tegak.
Ah, 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 ah.
Nah, nanti ada yang namanya CSV. Jadi if you want to use tables from data frames that means you need to look for the source of data, yeah, and it could be CSV file or comma separated fields, yeah. Data frame creation based on a CSV file, you can just read it pd.create.csv and then call the name of these CSV apps, yeah. Nah, and then yeah, just click the info, and then you can go to the head, and head is like function that you can use for looking the the first five line of your data, yeah, first five rows, yeah. Otherwise, if you want to use tail, it could see you could see, yeah, the last five rows from the tables. Okay. And then describe, yeah, just tells you about the numerical data, yeah, from your tables, which is it about the statistic. And then, yeah, that's it. Do you have any questions before we do some exercise? Fundamental of pandas?
No.
No? Just share your screen, yeah, Hayden, yeah. And then open your VS Code, Visual Studio Code.
Share what? Share screen.
Open your Visual Studio Code and share screen.
Oh, oke, bentar.
Okay, open your Visual Studio Code and share your screen, yeah. Login ya.
Sir,
Ya?
may I go to the toilet?
Oh iya iya iya. Go ahead.
Okay. Halo, sir.
Ya, oke. Open number one ya.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, just read the question first, yeah, and then we'll do it step by step, yeah. Just close the terminals and read the questions from the number one until number five, yeah, number three.
Until number all.
Hmm. Yeah. Have you read it? All the
Yes.
questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just minimize the question then, yeah.
Udah.
Nah, okay. So the first step is we already did that. Uploading data frame, yeah, which is about read CSV and store it in the variable df. Now, the next one, can you read the questions?
What is the name of the first application containing
Yeah,
in the data set?
yes. The name of the first application. So how can we do that?
Who knows? Hello?
Then, yeah, just try use hat. Yeah, print the hat. And then,
Then
if you want to apa search for the last applications categories, that means you need to use
print again.
yeah print it again. What the functions?
PD.
No. DF ya. DF tail.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Salah.
Okay, and then how many columns are there in the data set? Nah, so actually you can click the CSV in here ya.
What the?
But yeah,
Ini apa sih?
this is CSV file. This is data. Actually, it's like a usual tables, but because we use CSV, comma separated values, the column is it doesn't appear easily ya. Now you can use extension to read the CSV file. Click the extension,
Mataku sakit.
and then CSV reader in the search bar type CSV reader. No,
C
V CSV reader. CSV reader.
V
Nah,
install.
which one? No, Rainbow CSV then.
Hah?
Remove ya, Rainbow CSV.
Window. This.
Nah, this one, click.
What the hell?
Nah, install.
Ini untuk apa sih?
Ya,
What is this for?
what do you say?
What is this for?
What is this for? Nah, okay, click the file. And then you can read the CSV easily ya, because the Rainbow CSV. Nah, so the white is the one column, and then the blue is the second column ya, and etc. Ya. Nah, so apa each line is one row ya, and each color is one column. Now, do you have any questions? Now, if you don't, click your code ya. And in here, and then try to play it first. Now, if you ask about the first application and the last application, category last application, what the answer for the first question? You can scroll up ya. Scroll up. Now, as you can see in here, this is the tables that you call using df hat. Yeah, and then this is the name of the applications. Okay, first application containing. Now the second one, last application containing. That means it's about category, which is the answer is
Category.
yes, books and reference. Yeah, this is the title
Oh
of the
yeah.
columns. Scroll down.
Okay.
The last one, yeah. That means if you want to use the last one, this is yeah, the lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Okay. Do you have any question again?
For now, no, I think.
No, yeah. I scroll down. We'll continue. Now, if you want to know, yeah, how many columns are there, you can use the F info.
Print.
And then the last one, yeah, the F describe.
That's all.
Ya, oke, apply again ya. Nah, oke. So it's if you code the df info, ya scroll down again. Nah, this one nih, ya. This is the df info, which is you can know how many rows in there, how many columns, and then what are the name of the columns. Yeah. And the last one is about describe. You will get several statistics, yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
No, and then yeah, just check all the boxes. Scroll down.
What?
Okay. You need to click this again and then play.
Oh.
Now open again the question. Now scroll down. Okay. You need to read the questions.
What is the name of the first application in the data copy?
What is it?
Uh,
Scroll up. Mm-mm.
Kategori.
Now you just copy and paste it.
Di ini kan?
Nope, 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 nope.
Hah?
The first applications. This is yeah.
Oh, di ini. Ini. Iya.
Scroll down.
Which details? This one?
Last application category.
Oh ya, ini.
No, this one dong. See, it's only fourth line. This is 7,000 line. That means which? Uh-uh.
Goblok.
How many columns?
12.
Yeah, 12. Okay, scroll down again. Nah, okay, yeah, check all. You can click the file ya, in here. Nah, check the green button. Okay, continue ya. Have any questions?
Halo, sir.
Yeah, you just click the left circle to the right circle. No, you don't have to close the terminal. Why you close it?
Oh. Oh.
Nah, INT64 rating. We need to see the rating, which is rating is float 64. Now, float 64 match it with the rating.
Dah. Ini apa, sir? Sir, halo?
Yeah,
This one?
yeah. Have you read the questions? What is the questions?
Enter the average rounds of the nearest hundred.
Yeah,
The
that means
median integer to application size. So, this one?
what does that mean?
Tuliskan average round of the nearest hundred. paling
What
dekat
is it?
100, paling dekat 100.
No, round to the nearest hundred. That means you need to make it as decimal and just take two decimal point before the comma. That means you need to search for the average and also the median numbers. Nah, you can see in here, yeah. Okay, this one is the mean, yeah.
Bro,
The mean of what? Application size. So what is the mean of the application size?
this one.
Huh?
This one. Size.
Yeah, what the mean of the application size?
Besarnya.
I couldn't hear you. Your voice is so small.
Besarnya kan?
Ya,
The besaran, right?
kebesaran.
Size is besar, right?
No,
Ukuran,
no.
ukuran, ukuran.
Yeah, no, not the translate of the word.
So
I
what do you
asked you
mean?
about the average, this one. So what is the mean? What is the average of the application
22.76.
size? Yeah?
22.76.
Yeah. You need to nearest 100. That means 69.
Wait,
Uh, it will become 70, 77 or 78.
so 77.
Which one?
78 lah.
Yeah. Ah,
You see the nearest to 100, right?
yeah, nearest 100.
So 78.
Betul,
77.
22,77. Ya, scroll bawah, lanjut. Median.
Median.
Median that means nilai tengah ya. Nilai tengah dari aplikasinya berapa?
14.
Ya, pertanyaan berikutnya.
This one. Right?
Apa?
Ini kan, yang ini kan?
7352. Bukan. How much the most expensive app cost?
Ini
Berarti
kan?
yang max. Max, price-nya berapa?
Lah,
Berapa?
kok ini 4 digit, ini kok 3 digit, kok bisa lebih banyak?
Nah, udah, cek hijau. Read the question first.
Udah.
Ya, yeah, it's the same ya.
So the average to 7.
Number of installs.
Mother. This mother of number of install ini. Ya.
Iya, betul.
Jadi yang average yang ini.
Iya, betul.
Jadi 8
Bukan.
poin.
Ini ada E plus 06, artinya apa?
Gak tahu aku.
E plus 06 itu kayak 10 kali 10 pangkat 6. Jadi di sini kan ada 6 kan komanya. Nah, ya udah berarti 6, 8, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 3. Nggak usah pakai koma.
86.
Jawabannya berarti kayak gini, tapi nggak usah pakai koma.
Oh ya udah kayak gini.
Nah, lanjut median.
Median nyamin ya.
Enggak, yang 50%.
Oh. Ini. Ini 10 pangkat 5 kan berarti.
Berarti
Berarti ini satu nol.
berarti berapa? 100? 100.000 ya, 1 kali 10 pangkat 5.
Ah ya. Wih, baru apa lagi sir?
Sudah. Oke, continue number two ya.
Ini boleh di close kan?
Ya,
Udah boleh di close.
udah boleh di close. Lanjutin nomor 2. Nah, filtering. Apa itu filtering?
Filter, filter, filter ya
Apa itu filtering?
kayak ngefilter.
Nah, iya, oke. Coba baca dulu questionnya. Terus nanti kita coba jawab ya.
Udah sir. Sir udah.
Eh,
Oke baru.
eh, nah kamu boleh hapus aja dari ini nih yang kuning-kuningnya nih. Hapus, 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 hapus ya.
Semua.
Lagi yang masih ada warna kuning hapus aja.
Dan
Oke.
udah.
Nah, so for the number one,
Dek,
yeah, you need to filter the paid
siapa?
app. Yeah, that
Wait, wait,
means
wait.
use. Ya,
Dek matiin HP kau dek. Kan enggak, kan kau nggak pakai. Udah mati. Oke sir. Lanjut.
print df ya. Itu di baris 5 aja.
Sir, bentar sir. Ada yang telepon sir.
Boleh, boleh, silakan.
Halo.
Hmm, double equal sign.
Udah sir.
Nah,
Sir
coba
udah.
play lagi. Nah, berarti di cheapest apa di cheapest paid app berarti jawabannya
0,99.
betul. Oke, lanjut nomor berikutnya dibaca lagi.
Ini nomor 7 ini. Dek, kenapa?
Nah, dia mau ngebaca art and design categories ya.
Orang.
Berarti tinggal kita kasih printnya juga.
Jadi
Ya, sama kita ambil installs Belian.
apa dek? Gak mau, gak mau. Boleh ini kan?
Kenapa?
Enggak ada.
Enggak. Oh iya boleh, silakan mau diganti.
Dek, dek, dasar.
Play lagi. Salah. Medan. Median ya. Play lagi.
Nih.
Nah, oke. Jadi 100.000 ya. Lanjut nomor berikutnya. Baca dulu.
Wih,
Nah, kalau sudah dibaca tinggal pre-reviews.max.
pasti salah pencet terus. What do you see with them? Duin apa, dek? Goblok. Lah. Tadi tulisnya aku lupa. Oh.
Iya udah bosen dan kayak
Dasar.
coba nih kayak
Oke, lagi.
tapi maunya mereka tuh gue di rumah kayak seru gitu loh maunya tuh kan kayak Barbie doll yang fake atau apa
Nah,
kan nggak bisa
ini digabungin lagi Hayden di bawahnya ya di baris 11. Di baris 11. Nah,
nanti caranya kadang suka nyolong gitu ya tapi ya mungkin untuk beberapa orang kayak bisa tiba-tiba oh ini orang ada yang masuk dulu kan nyolong beberapa orang mungkin bisa terima orang coba kayak mungkin nih orang kenapa yang
Sorry, ini
dikatakan buat Sarah
ngerti aku.
Sarah itu memang mungkin terlahir dengan DNA nyolong dan bukannya yang akan produksi terus ya oh kapan nih kita lagi satu grup kemarin kita grup bareng ada satu challenge yang skill designer challenge sosial media campaign ternyata dia tuh orangnya yang apa ya kalau lagi diskusi tuh langsung gitu loh sedangkan pace anggotanya tuh gak secepat itu dan kayak lu kurang bisa menyamakan dan memahami
uh-uh.
makanya itu gak bisa nggak tahu percekcokan apa yang terjadi di sana, tapi aku cukup kaget. Aku melihat kan Ellen sama Augie itu
Boleh lagi.
gue kaget seru, gue seru, gara-gara lu pada liatin satu kelompok ngeliatin gue, terus kayak nyuruh yang itu, ya gue jadi pusing, padahal kan bisa aja tinggalin gue, tinggal nyabut kok nyali dari yang kertas, yang gue tulis ke papan tulis, terus udah sekarang kan bisa menyiapkan hal yang lain, ya kan gue udah bilang awalnya.
Boleh lagi ya.
Apa, Sir? Oh,
Ada yang ngomong, gue ingat banget ada yang ngomong, akhirnya ada.
Udah jadi 447 ya. Berikutnya ini ya, kalau misalnya mau konten rating teen.
masih banyak, Sir.
Enggak, bentar lagi kita. 5 menit udah beres lagi nih.
Ini aku boleh sama kan, Sir? Coba ganti
Boleh,
itu
boleh.
saja.
Copy paste dari sebelumnya boleh.
Balik, kenapa lo gak dengan pendirian lo yang awal lo tuh udah ngegas, terus tiba-tiba tuh kayak udah ada di menurut aku kayak seberapa dia berusaha untuk melaut kayak gitu, memang personality dia itu bukan tipe personality alpha and beta. Lanjut teori.
Udah, Sir. Sir, udah, Sir. Sir,
Nah, lanjut ya. Terus,
Dek kasih aku, Dek. Dek kasih aku, Dek.
dan ini lagi ya terakhir. Nih,
Sama dia besar. Oh, Evani, oh, jelas aja ya. Suka nggak jelas maksudnya kayak kalau kita lagi di kamar nih, itu ngomongin ini ya, siapa ngomongin Joli lah, kita misalnya lagi bahas Joli, orang ini gini, tapi kan lama-lama kemudian, gue di kamar di Evani lagi bisik baru sama Joli ngobrol berdua pusing gitu, atau ngomongin apa, jadi maksudnya berbeda gitu loh, kayak kalau misalnya sini, gimana sekarang? Gue tuh setuju banget ya sama teman-temannya Helen setiap hari, karena gue juga sempat ngobrol gitu sama Helen, ngomongin hari ini, ngomongnya tuh gak jelas. Soalnya gimana sih kan, dengan kelompoknya. Ya memang gak jelas sih, dia bilang edge, kayak apa. Real nature, kan semua perempuan mau jadi seperti dia. Orang kan pengen kan jadi jahat, kalau gak usah pengen banget, bilang kan, ya orang dia pengen ngomong kayak gitu, oh film mana gini, oh iya, dia tahu banget, kita pengen banget. Ya, satu pengen apa kita jauh gitu. Ya, kalau emang kita cukup api-api, tapi giliran sama dia, itu berarti semua apa? Ya, gitu ya. Fake gitu, gue seneng lah dia finally admit kalau dia fake, dan gue udah tahu fake dari pertama kali lu gak tuh gue. Evaninya ini yang kadang-kadang tuh kepancing, nggak tahu ya apa Evan ini pansos sama saya, kalau orang-orang semua saya enggak, kalau ya mereka semua fake sih. Kayak misalnya Helen, kalau sampai nanya lu serius kan ke Garuda, aku langsung gue ya kalau mau diomongin juga akan tinggal nggak ada salah satu orang gitu, sama yang lain berarti sama sama aku jadi gue satu-satu, kok sama dulu ya gue sudah senang sebenarnya kan karena dia itu kali ya kalau yang dia keren ada itu Evani jadi sendiri juga ngomongin ya kan jadi diskusi tapi siapa nanti
Udah, Sir.
mau coba.
eh oke. Boleh di play? Kayaknya salah deh kurungnya. Kan?
Aku gak ngerti. Kurang ya, aneh.
Ya udah. Nanti kita bahas lagi aja ya di pertemuan berikutnya untuk dibenerin. Ya, ada pertanyaan dulu ya, Iden?
Enggak, Sir.
No?
Enggak, Sir. Enggak ada pertanyaan.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, we already learned about data science and we'll continue to data grouping yeah on the next lessons. Yeah. And that's all for today, Hayden, and bye-bye. Good afternoon, yeah.
Ya, thank you, Sir.
Bye.